Oh, what? No, this is Uncle Paul, by the way. Yeah. Hey, Dave, look. He looks like yo. Hey, Dave. Dave will be at home.
Who's that?
My dad will be looking after Mrs. Darkfire. Yeah, it's his birthday today. We're going to check him the card round, but fuck him. He never remembers Mark's birthday.
I thought it was tomorrow.
No, it's 50. No, is it 6? I don't know. He don't know. He's had 2 kids in well. He doesn't even know when Mark. He doesn't know how old I am. Don't care.
Is that it?
Oh, what? For £2? I want my money back. Hey. Well, I'm glad to sat here with you, Paul. You know, yeah, every day. You know, family, bloodline. Unfortunately.